This is the unboxing of Valencia Hola smart lock. I'll review it in the next video with installation. So without any further ado, let's start unboxing. After so much of a struggle, finally when I opened the package, I can tell you the package quality is 5 out of 5 stars. बहुत स्ट्रगल है भाई. अब तो अंदर का प्रोडक्ट भी बोल देगा.
बेटा तुमसे ना हो पाएगा.
समस्त ब्रह्मांड की ताकत लगाने के बाद मैं सफल रहा इसे खोलने में. The quality of the box is as per my expectation. Very nice. The most awaited moment is here. In the upper section we get the plastic package which contains user manual with warranty card, and at the back side of it there is the RFID card. Now let's remove the upper section of the box. The lower section of the box has outdoor and indoor unit. Before moving further, let me inform you that this is not a sponsor video regarding this product. As you have already seen in the video that I have purchased it from Amazon, therefore it is a retail unit. So if you find this video informative, then please support me by clicking the red subscribe button below. Worry not, it is totally free of cost. Now back to the video. Every part of the lock is important, but this is the main component of the lock. I mean smart component. This is the outdoor unit where all the smart functions are present. This packet contains a key with key lock. And here's the main lock. It is very heavy and it is very big, believe me. You get a pair of manual key. Nice. And here is the pair of RFID card. I thought that the size of the card would be big, but it is small as you can see in this video. But what can you expect at this price point, since the company is giving you such a value for money product. So this was the unboxing of Valencia Hola smart lock, which I purchased against rupees 8,000 approx during the Great Indian Festival sale after applying all the offers. Soon I will upload its installation with a detailed long-term review, therefore stay tuned for the upcoming video. Till then, stay safe, click the like button below and also subscribe to my new channel. I would be thankful to you. Goodbye.